Hey y'all, so I'm about to make a little macaroni and cheese. I'm not making much as you can see from my ingredients, but let's get started. Alright, so in this bowl right here, I have just bread. It was 3 slices of bread out of my fridge and a bunch of parsley put in the food processor. Crumb topping, there you go. Salt and pepper. We're gonna add a little butter to that. Boom. Of course, my macaroni, heavy cream, cheese. That's the cheese I have on hand, y'all. And that's it. My butter right here, my pan, and some eggs. And yeah, we're just gonna whip it up. Alright, y'all, so while my noodles are boiling, we're gonna make up the custard for the mac and cheese. Down in here, I have 2 eggs. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be my description box. You wanna add your heavy cream. You can add milk, half and half, whatever you have on hand. I didn't have none of that in my refrigerator. All I had was heavy cream. So that's why I'm using it. Now you want to add some hot sauce. You need some flavor down in your mac and cheese. Totally optional. You need some garlic powder. Season your custard. Honestly, I probably should have made the custard before adding the eggs and tasted it. But I've been making this for so long. You know, I'm good. But you also want to add some salt and pepper. And that's it for the custard, y'all. That's it. I'm not making a lot. If you need to double, triple, or reduce the recipe, you can. Again, it will be in my description box below. Alright, y'all. So since I boiled my noodles in salted boiling water, I don't need to add any seasoning here. However, I did add 5 tablespoons of real butter. To this here also, well, you want to mix this out first. Mix the butter into your noodles. Make sure it melts all the way down. Alright, once you melt your butter down, you want to add some cheese. I'm using the Colby Monterey mix that I found right in Walmart. It was on sale, so I got it. You want to add some down in here and mix this in. Y'all, look how cheesy this is. And I didn't even put that much cheese yet. In a grease pan, you want to add half of your macaroni noodles. I can't even talk today, y'all. So I should pick it up. There we go. You want to add half down. All right, once you add half down, you want to add a handful of cheese. Then you want to add your custard down, half of it. Then you want to add some more cheese. Then you want to put the rest of your macaroni right on top. Alright, once you spread out the top, I did add some more black pepper because y'all know I love black pepper. You want to add more cheese. And then you want to add the rest of your custard mixture. You're going to pop this into a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to pull it out, add the crumb topping and more cheese, period. And that's it. So pop it in the oven, 30 minutes, 375. Now to your breadcrumb topping, like I said, I just put 3 slices of bread in the food processor with some parsley, and that's what I got. Now melted down some butter. So you want to just drizzle some butter down in here with some garlic powder and some salt. Mix this up, and when the macaroni comes out the oven, this will be the topping. Alright, y'all, so this is how it looks. You want to cover this with cheese one more time. This mac and cheese is super cheesy. One more time, like I said in my previous clip. You don't need too much this time, though. And then you're going to top it with your buttery, herby breadcrumbs. You probably just want to pop this back in the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes just to brown up your breadcrumbs and get it nice and crispy. Alright, y'all, so this is the mac and cheese. I'm going to let it cool down for about 5-10 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, y'all, so I'm glad it flipped over so y'all can see. Look how cheesy. I guess I should go here. Cheesy and creamy this is. And it smells amazing. I hope y'all can see this. Look at this crusty top, first of all. Ignore my chair, it's making noise. Okay, got a little bit of cheese string. And then this is the mac here. So creamy and cheesy. And I didn't even use that much cheese. I don't think I did anyway. Usually I use like 3 or 4 cheeses, but it turned out pretty good. I love the peppery of the black pepper and the hot sauce. You actually taste it down in here and it's perfectly seasoned. Remember, my ingredients will be in my description box, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Let me try it real quick. On camera anyway. Okay. Anyway, give this recipe a try, you guys, and I'll catch y'all on my next one. Bye.